Hello everyone, this is Kyle with Complete Pressure Solutions. So today, what we got going on, so this customer reached out to me. He wanted to get his driveway cleaned up, and I'm going to show you one other area in concern that he had. So over here, I don't know how well you'll actually be able to see it, but there's, this is going. So there's a little bit of a rust stain on the house there. He wanted that taken care of as well. But this is a really nice elderly man, so I'm actually going to do a couple extra things just to take care of him. So one of them being in that area where that rust is, you can see there's a lot of organic stuff growing all over the wall. There's some on the windows too. So I'm just going to hit that and clean that stuff up as well. The other thing I'm going to do too is he's got this little border right here that goes around. It'll only take me about a minute or so, so I'm just going to clean that up, and I'm going to clean up these steps for him too, just because they don't really look that great. And again, that's another one of those things that would only take me a minute or so to do, so I'm just going to do it to take care of the customer, just something a little extra. You know, I always try to find something like that, a little bit extra to do, just you know, just to make people happy. So let's go ahead and get this knocked out. We're gonna take care of pre-treating everything first, then we're gonna start with this gutter all the way over to that stop sign, basically is where we're gonna stop. So thanks for watching, and join me for another time lapse of some good cleaning.